Did you know one of the world's strongest weightlifters might be chilling in your backyard right now? No, I'm not talking about some jacked squirrel. I'm talking about the humble garden snail. It might seem slow and slimy, but this little guy is an absolute powerhouse. A snail can lift objects 10 times its own weight. To put that in perspective, if you had the same strength-to-weight ratio, you could literally lift a car with just one hand. Imagine that! No more waiting for a tow truck. Just pick it up and move it yourself. So next time you see a snail inching along, remember you're looking at a tiny, shell-wearing Hercules. Nature is packed with incredible surprises, isn't it? It just goes to show, you should never, ever underestimate the little guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.